In this video of the perfect momentum strategy, we are going to go over the style tab. And the style tab is how you control how everything appears visually on your chart. So in this strategy, whenever you have your settings selected to create an entry, this background color for green will control your long entries. And you can change this color to be anything you want. I have it on green by default. You can also change the opacity if you want to make it less visible. Your short entries, they can also be your long exits, are going to be red. You can change that also to any color you want. You can also change your opacity. If you are in a short only system, your greens will be your exits for the short. So greens are long entries or short exits. Red are short entries or long exits. Now, moving on, this plot right here is your stop loss. So when you select a stop loss in the perfect momentum strategy, which is down about 2/3 of the way, for example, if I take the stop loss off, you'll see this go away. If I add a stop loss back in, there's a stop loss. I also have a trailing stop on. If I took it off, you'll see it'll flatten out as it remains 15% for my entry. And that's what this plot does here. You can change the color, you can change the opacity, you can change the thickness of it. You can also change it from a line to an area if you want. You can do whatever you like with any of these options. This plot is for take profits. This is behind the scenes, though you won't see this, so don't have to really do anything with this plot here. If you want to take the trades off the chart for some reason, you can do that. If you want to change your labels or take them off, you can do that. And you can also change the entry, the quantity of the stock or asset you're trading by taking quantity off. So that is it for the style tab of the perfect momentum strategy. Thank you for watching.